Okay, guys. So 6 episodes left in this English series. After that, we will do a Hindi series. Very excited for this series. Like, because that's very close to me, right? Today, I want to the lie about mother. You know, this title of mother. Who is mother? You know, and we will go deep into it. I'll remove all the lies. Milk separate, water separate. Time to separate these two. Like a very loud wind here. I think I will bring this camera closer. Let me start from this concept of motherland. You understand? So in very basic, it is defined as the land is defined as mother because that's where you kind of gain your body. You understand? Basically, the food you eat. Where does the food come from? You understand? It's like everything has a connection. Even if you are like a non-vegetarian, you eat animal. What does the animal eat? Finally, there is a connection to the land, right? There is a connection. So it's like, let's say, the lion eats the deer eats the grass, and the grass comes from the earth. So there will always be connection to the earth. So in a way, like everything is coming from that land, sort of. But that land, it's not. That doesn't mean like all of these boundaries that we have created around it. You understand? And so that is the truth about what you say, being the motherland, or being called that the motherland is your country in a sense, or your motherland is your state, your motherland is your district, your motherland is like, I don't know, like village, whatever. All of these are a stupid concept put on top together. But if I remove the boundary, then my motherland is the entire earth. You understand? No countries, the entire earth is my motherland. You get this idea, right? Very simple idea, very simple concept. And mother as a concept is defined as basically someone who makes you. You understand? So, like my body is mostly composed of earth plus milk from my physical mother. You understand? And the other stuff that is the nature gives, air, water, all of that. Let's not go into too much detail. Like I'm talking in terms of concept. So don't like nitpick like, okay, this is that, this is that. Understand like what is being said, like where I am pointing at, the hint. So physically, if that is your mother, what is mentally your mother? Who made you mentally? Do you understand that? Mentally, you have a certain perception, a certain image, just like you have an image about other people, right? So you see this person is like, okay, this person is Chinese. So Chinese are like this, Chinese are like that. This person is from like in India, like Haryana. Oh, Haryana, very violent people, like that, like this. You have an image, right? Anything, good or bad, that doesn't matter. We are not talking about all of this. Like, that is wastage of time. Who makes you mentally? So you have to first go in like what is the image you have about yourself. You understand? Why don't you treat yourself beautiful? That's the main point. Why don't you look in the mirror and you are like, oh my god, this is the most beautiful person ever. It means you have a certain image about yourself. How the image came, we have already explained in the previous episodes. It's all conditioning, right? It's all a set parameter. Somebody defined it. This is beauty, this is not beauty. White is beautiful, black is not beautiful. Who will say black is not beautiful? Look at this. This is still so beautiful. Such a beautiful flute. But is this also beautiful? This is also beautiful. So, where we were. So yeah, who basically mother is something who makes you. That's why in Indian culture, like cow is mother, because cow milk is so much of your body is kind of like cow milk. Because especially in North India, every day we drink like 2 glasses of milk. So it means like 50% of your diet is cow only. So you have become like a cow only. Then we say like earth is our mother. You understand? All of these are like metaphors, concepts. Some people literally take it, and then the other like ignorant people, they bash them. Oh, cow is your mother. Oh, this like this. I will eat it. Like see, I'm like eat it. The basic principle is the cow is much more useful alive than death. It's like that same story, right? The gold story. So there is a hen, okay, and that it gives like a golden egg. But then this guy, human, always greedy. So he's like, okay, I will take out all the eggs, and he kills it. But the hen was more useful alive, basically, rather than killing and eating its meat. Just a very simple principle. People don't understand. And the same people who is like, okay, don't eat dogs. Why? Why don't eat dogs if you can eat anything? Then let's eat anything. What's the problem? Hypocrisy, right? This hypocrisy is what is like actually the main problem of the world. Liars. That's why this is the truth series. So what is the truth about mother? Mother is everything you are made up of. So if you have so your mother can be a book also. Your mother can be someone outside who just told you one line, but that one line changed you entirely. So it means now that one line is very at the center of your existence, right? So that person is your mother now. Mentally, I read a book in childhood, and my entire outlook in the life is defined by that. I read the story of Bhagat Singh, and my entire outlook is defined like, okay, such a person. So, conceptual level, just the thought of that happening is defining me now mentally. Similarly, physically, and all of that. This is the truth about mother. Don't get caught up in this, because today mothers are also hypocrite. They don't want Bhagat Singh in their son to be Bhagat Singh or fight for the like bigger mother. You know, it's a selfish mother. Only fight for me. What about the cow mother? What about the earth mother? What about the tree mother? What about all of those mothers? No. No pure mother will say that. You understand? It's like a mother will feel what other mother is feeling, right? Otherwise, she is not a mother. She is just a hypocrite posing as a mother. So that was the lie about mother.